Hi all, welcome back, or if you're new here, I'm Kat from Faberdasheree. Today we're going to be attempting like all my projects, doing a chef's hat. So in my previous video I've done a chef's shirt and I'm very pleased with it, so I think the chef hat should be todo. What I need for it is my fabric, and we're gonna do some interfacing again. So I love this material now, so why not use it? I've measured my daughter's head circumference and it was 22 inches, so you add extra inch, and then there is a puffy hat that needs to go on top. So for that one I'm gonna be cutting 25 inches a square out of my material. I think that's what we're gonna do first. For that hairband, I'm going to cut out at 9-inch wide. Very tragic way of cutting the fabric. So first of all, let's take the pig square and form a circle. So for it, we just fold it 4 ways. So I've got salvage edge here. I'm gonna leave that out. And so your starting point is, quick measurement, 12.5. So next, what we need to do, take a little pen. There you go. I use some kind of ribbon and we're just gonna pin it to the corner. Take the pen and start drawing a like circle by holding the ribbon straight. Get your scissors and cut. Accuracy not your biggest worry. That's where we find out, so that is a circle. Perfect. Now let's take the other part and make sure we measure out the right length. So it was 24 inches plus 1. Now take your interfacing and cut 4 inches times the length of 24 inches out from that. Actually I've got inches here, so I could easily do it from here. So using the interfacing to make it more firmer, the headband, but the hat itself we want to be slouchy. So with the interfacing, the way it goes on is the smooth. There is a smooth side, and then there is a little bit like rougher side. The way it needs to go on is the rough side down. So that's kind of where the glue is. Smooth side on the bottom. Just gently iron it on. So I've made sure I measured it again, and we can be quite generous with the sewing. I'm going to create the circle first, then we're going to attach this. So the plan to how to measure that circle is, I didn't watch any other videos that far, so I'm going to improvise. Just measure out where is the half point, quarter point, and just make it as short sections as you can. So this is my half point, and then the other way where we folded is a quarter point, and then if we fold that half again we can put another measure here, and the same on the other side. Line these up and finger press. And then I'm gonna do another press each of these half again. Then I've got good amount of places to match up. So how many sections have we got now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16. So I think first of all I'm gonna sew that together and then separate this into 16 sections. Thread already. So I'm gonna do a seam about 3/4 inches. So we've ironed our headband part and we need to make it into 16 sections as well. So first of all half, 4, and then 4 half again. 16. Again, it doesn't have to be exact science, and I can give it a little press with my iron so I know exactly where my points are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, is it 8? So we need another one. So the point then is that this section needs to fit into this small section. It looks crazy at the moment. So here you go. 16 sections here needs to be matched with 16 sections in here. Good luck to me. So let's say first one is here and the second one is here. Have you ever seen that trick when they are twisting it with a fork? I might try this one here. I've got a fork. I thought I said it was easy project. It's coming along quite nicely actually. Let's continue. The key here is to follow the process. So I've just been to try it out. Customer's not happy. I'm happy, so I'm continuing. The fork actually was quite useful, so try it out. Clipped it all together with a little gaps in between. So I'm gonna have to try and sew it now. Keep taking the pins out now. Hoping that it hasn't caught at the bottom. Fine. Now I turn this out. I'm gonna iron this edge first and then just attach it to here. No need to like do the edges because it's gonna be sandwiched in the hat. But yeah, I'm gonna get my iron out again. Super cool. And then just fold it up. Sure the fabric overlaps the stitch before. I'm gonna take it easy here. Now there's some bow as well, I think I was asked, so we'll see how we can do that quickly. I'm just winging it again. Yep. So here you have it, and here is a bow. Customer is happy, so yes! I was asked to do a popple on the bow, so just improvised and put the popple on the bow, and then you can put it on your hair. There you go. Very nice.